Okay,
You called it.
Oh,
Basically, the
I'm gonna
wimpy...
get murdered, huh?
Yeah, basically the wimpy guy is saying, I know what happened, but I'm not telling you.
Hey, I should probably tell you. No, forget about it. Never mind. Don't worry about the giant bird we're having for dinner. If you see any red feathers, ignore them.
Delicious. It's gonna be delicious. That's all I have to say.
Yep. Their only concern is they didn't cook Link along with it. I mean, she was gonna turn him into pate, but that didn't work.
Hey, Link!
Holy crap! What the?
Yeah, it's some hideous kid.
Hello! I'm sorry, but the standards set by all the others, that kid is so horrifyingly out of place.
Yeah, just a little.
God!
He's a mutant kid.
Yeah, maybe Zelda should throw him off the island.
No doubt. Maybe
His parents were brother and sister.
On both sides.
How does that work, brother and sister on both sides?
I don't know.
It just works somehow.
No. So, let me think about this for a while.
I really want to push these guys over the edge.
Yeah, but why is he stabbing him with his hook hands?
How long have you both stopped like
It's
that?
the local douche canoe.
I get it. They're brother and sister and mother and son.
Yeah, I can see how that would work, and that's scary.
Yeah.
Oh, Cruz, can you please find in your heart of the demon today, please?
Nope. I'm going to murder you in your sleep. Or better yet...
I look away for 1 second!
Or better yet, we'll leave you alone on an island with Zelda for a minute. You'll think it's a reward. All until you're plummeting and can't get your bird.
Oh.
Nice hair. This is so comically stereotypical.
Yeah, it's
That's why I say I want to push him over the edge.
Yeah.
stereotypical.
Would you wake up, straighten up, and something backbird already?
Just who you might be taking about Cruz?
Oh my.
Ooh, no you didn't.
Please never say that again.
Okay.
What? Oh no, you didn't?
Not like that, please, no.
Oh no, you didn't.
See, that's better, because that's almost like Tim Curry-ish.
Hey, I can just say it however I like.
His brains are cooking. He's done!
It also depends on the way you say it.
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh, you had that snap. Oh, no, you didn't.
Okay, that's it.
At this point, we're just enjoying messing with Super Chris here. Just too much fun.
Just like I was messing with you earlier with
Senpai! Oh, that's all around.
Oh wait, she's wearing pants underneath.
Yeah, well. Doesn't matter.
But when you propel yourself through open space, I would think that you would be at least a little concerned about people getting a below you.
Yeah, and there are some people who would encourage it. So, where's all this water coming from, since it's all going to fall off anyway? Oh, another girl who's got the hots for Link.
Because everyone does.
Precisely.
I think she's kind of
Well, compared to that horrifying child...
Yeah. I wouldn't go cosplaying that. I mean, I think that's a character I could for.
Cat. No rupees for jumping across that.
Nope.
No. It's nice about that.
Ochre Arena.
Yeah, I think someone's made that. An ochre arena.
Somehow I'm psychic. Actually, it is actually canon that Hylians are psychic, so...
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's how people know what Link's thinking and saying when he doesn't say anything.
Link to the past. Play that.
Oh, right! Link's uncle is, psychically talking to him.
No,
And
Link's uncle never does, but Zelda does, and Sahasrahana.
It's Shala.
Sahagin, I don't know.
Soraya.
Apparently, they've got bigger ears than they listen to the goddesses, I guess.
It's their antenna for their telepathy.
Just like member hearts somewhere, you know.
Hey, maybe that's what you should cook. A heart. I've done it before. It's not that bad. There's no.
See, usually when you
there.
find a heart lying on the ground, that's reason to call police.
Not Link. He digs right in and enjoys it.
Hey!
Huh?
Hey!
Oh.
Over here!
Up. Oh, yeah. Who are you?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I finished interrogating this guy with our enhanced interrogation techniques to...
My asshole hurts. Go on. Tell him the truth. Buddies came in. My ass hurts. They hanged me. Wonderful.
I've already found it over there. I just am here for a stupid sword.
You get another level 1 wooden sword.
Oh.
You know how to read a map, don't you? Idiot. Oh wait, no. I'm a guy. Never mind, I don't know how to read one either. Spurning hole. Give me a sword! You still want to get in some sword practice. Is the back room, go get it. You stand handling a sword, then go right ahead.
I'm a master at handling my sword.
Yes, Zelda watches you regularly.
It's down.
So what's making that sound?
You're low on hearts. You're going to die. Yeah, this actually starts you out with an insane amount of hearts for a Legend of Zelda game.
It's because it knows that the controls suck so hard you're gonna need it.
Okay then.
Oh well, let's get some practice with this crap. There. That's not what I'm doing!
Jabu Jabu. Really are a strong swordsman. Easy to preach to. Like. Nunchuck horizontally.
You know, this video would be a whole lot more amusing if you could see me flailing around.
Yeah, in fact, you almost just hit me. Swing the remote nunchuck horizontally.
There.
Ow.
No, that didn't feel good.
Do a slash on that log when it's down. Try finishing it. The fetal blow.
The fecal blow.
After you shield... Wait, you don't have a shield. Why am I teaching you this? Get out of here!
No, I don't want to do that again.
Yeah, then why are you killing all these things again?
Why is he bringing them back to life?
Because, you just keep killing them. Come on, it's a kiss!
How do I kill this damn thing?
You don't! You nearly choked yourself out on that one. Here. Give me those. You gotta poke someone's eye out. God. Hey, I haven't finished.
I'm not sneaking out with it, I'm just walking straight out with it.
What? Your loft wing is missing again? Oh, you idiots. Remember, Skyloft is a peaceful place. I don't want you swinging around like crazy. That's the only way you can swing the sword around is like crazy. And away we go. Are you going to attack that again? Yes, you are. You can kill that ugly kid now.
What?
Oh, it's one of those.
It's a rocket.
Oh, yeah.
Not so surprised.
Hey, friend, come here, say hello. I just want to tell you, Yojimbo, it's okay. No one will know. The things I'll show you when you just get back.
Stones are talking to me. I'm hearing voices.
Well, it kind of makes sense. I mean, he is the precursor to Psycho Link.
This is the angry, wishes he was drunk Link, but isn't drunk.
Hi, I got a sword now!
Seriously, that is an unnatural angle for his wrist.
Yeah.
It's a little, yeah.
Try slashing down. Or
There.
that, walking through them.
That works.
Well, his body wouldn't fit through the rest of him.
Yeah.
No, remember the log, you can't kill these! This Link has no idea how to hold a sword. Seriously, even the rancher with no experience was doing better. Got to break free.
I've got to make peace.
Look on. Good strong stabbing motion. Or a different kind of motion.
Like this?
Yep, just like that. She's gotta kill you again, Link! Run! Wait, defend yourself! Come on, Link, you can do it!
You know, you could have easily done this yourself.
Why give her hands to?
Oh.
So, she's crazy.
We knew that. She tried to kill Link, the guy she claims to be in love with.
Or at least friends at this point. There he is!
Quick, kill it! It's ready for dinner. We've been feeding it non-stop. stop for the past 5 days.
Come on!
Do a barrel roll?
Except the barrel gave up on rolling.
Alright. Someone in Hyrule can have that!
Meanwhile,
Oh, wait,
Mom
that
just got a concussion.
No, actually, the fact is that... You're cutting the cords. Yeah. It turns out there was actually someone in that barrel.
That wouldn't have stopped me from throwing.
Oh, no, not at all. In fact, if it was Dingle, that would have encouraged you. Why? I'm gonna eat... That's a pelican. I just realized it. That's a part pelican. Keep it away from the birds. It'll eat you. The bird loves you more than Zelda. And in much the same way. Bye! I can't save you if you get thrown off a cliff again. Keep away from her! Do you want to hear that again? Before you go, I have to ask you something. Did you hear the voices? Tell me things. Well, rocks are talking to me. Does that count?
I've been hearing voices a lot lately.
Like the one that told me to push you off the edge. Sometimes they're just so hard to ignore. Some of Father's old texts talk about a place called the Surface.
So suddenly we're Gurren Lagann.
Suddenly.
Yeah, only going down instead of up. Yours is the sword that will pierce the heavens. We're in the heavens. Exactly, you'll pierce it going down. I pushes you off again. Ah, gosh, you did it again. You know, to get to the surface, all you have to do is fall. That takes, like, absolutely no effort.
La 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 la.
You can just keep falling forever, can't you?
I don't know.
You're going to try, aren't you?
I don't know.
You'd think they'd have invented parachutes. The art of flying is the ability to throw yourself at the ground and miss.
And I'm trying hard to miss.
Well,
I seem to be succeeding so far.
I'm really bad at this.